Hello friends, welcome back to the Tableau tutorial. This is part 2 of the series. In this part, we will see how to download and install Tableau, its user interface, and how to load data from Excel. There are 7 ways we can load data in Tableau. We will see the way that can load data from Excel. So right from the first point, we will go on the website to download and then install the Tableau Public. This is the website from where we can download Tableau Public. So this URL will be available in the description section. You can click over there and go on this website. It will require to log in and then download the app available here. Click on it. You will see this interface. Then click on download the app. This form will be seen here. You will fill these entries and click on the country you are in. Let the process be complete. Then click on download the app. This will start downloading your app. The download should begin in a moment. So now I show you that there are various versions of the various products with Tableau are Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, Tableau Online, Tableau Prep, and Tableau Public. Tableau Public is free here. Tableau Desktop having some cost. All these four having some fee there. Tableau Desktop is a full version. Tableau Server is to connect big database, and Tableau Online is browser based. Tableau Prep is used to do analytics and to manipulate your data. So you can see the Tableau desktop is downloaded. To install Tableau public is very simple. Just clicking some yes options and you will be at your Tableau software. Now the Tableau is installed. Tableau public 2022.1. Okay, this is the latest version of Tableau. By double clicking on the icon, you can open the Tableau. You can see this is the basic interface of Tableau. Here to connect to a file. There are 7 options of file formats available here that can be connected with Tableau, and with Tableau desktop full version there are 72 plus options to connect with the files for from the server OData, and for more we have Google Drive, OData, and web data connected. Okay, so we come over again. We'll upload our Excel file here so we can understand the basic interface of Tableau. Here is the Excel file that we need to upload on Tableau. While it gets connected, we also open the Excel file in other tab so we can understand what type of data the Excel file having and what Tableau get inserted. Here the Excel file is loaded. We having orders, people, returns. These three things we are seen here. New union, if we are having multiple Excel files, then we can union those files also. First we will see what is the data available in that Excel file. See, here is the whole file we have. It have 9,994 rows. So what we have to do, we have to see that these type of data are available with us, and what are those tabs here. By clicking on this file, this tab, we have see orders, people, and returns. Similar, the Tableau inserted orders, peoples, and returns. What are in these files? As we see, if we click orders, it opens whole data. Okay. By clicking people, it selects the name of the peoples and the reason where they are. In returns, it gives the returned and the order ID. Okay. I will explain in later parts that what is the data in it. So from here we having the orders. So by dragging these orders into this part, we get all the data in Tableau. We can see the data in this. As you can see, the complete data is available here. That 9,994 rows are available here now. Okay. So what now you can see, this is the basic interface. Here you get the data source. Second thing is your sheet 1. Here is the sheet 1 available. When you go to that sheet, the categories of the data or the attributes of the Excel or the table are available here. Okay. These are, if you want another sheet, we can click here for stories, new dashboards. The options are available here. Similar, similarly to the other softwares, we having file, data, worksheets. We will go through all these things also in future. So let's see one more thing. Insert, by going to the Excel, insert a pivot table in existing worksheet, or we can say a new one. A new pivot table is shown here. See, these are the attributes we are available in Excel. Okay, sales, discount, discount profit, product name, category, product ID, country, region, filters, column, rows, and values. Similarly, Tableau having all these attributes, just it categorized intelligently. Here are the other values available. Here is the rows, columns, filters, and other more options for your visualization. This is the way you insert a data sheet into Tableau. This is the very basic part today, that how to install, download, then install, and what are the ways Tableau opens. We are using Tableau Public, which is free and open source. We can use it online as well as offline or on your desktop also. And how to insert Excel data sheet into Tableau to use further for visualization. This is all for today part. We will meet again into part 3. If you like it, subscribe us and share it to the others so we can reach as much as people those are interested in learning Tableau. Thank you so much.